Hi guys, today I'm gonna try the viral chocolate at Dubai. The viral chocolate of Dubai is fixed. So I'm very excited. The flavor is pistachio. Ano nga to? Pistachio, diba? This is actually pistachio and here.
And here you can write can't get enough.
Can't get. I can't read it.
Kanafa, yes.
Kanafa of it.
Kanafe.
You can take picture of this one if you want. Joke. Joke lang.
Okay lang yun. Pwede rapod mag-Bisaya para mag-try.
Pistachio!
Oh my God.
It's very pretty.
Okay.
Wow. This is the Papaya chocolate. You can smells good. I think.
So milk.
Yeah, it smells. I'll
Need to
just
put
try.
in there. Oh.
Ang sarap!
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap, babe! It's very yummy.
Let me try.
Okay. Patry natin sa kanila. Try mo mo. Ipatry ko muna sa mama ko, guys.
Ikat mo dito.
It's little bit melt at the side. Mami, I cannot cut. Ito na, guys. In-stop ko muna. Mami, can you crack?
Wait lang.
So ito, guys, I cannot crack, so my mom will crack it. Ito nga, nakarack ko na nga dito eh. Tignan nyo. Sa side siya na crack kasi mahirap talaga siya i-crack, guys.
That's it.
Like, tignan ko muna kung
So yummy.
ipatry ko sa kanila. Gusto pa ba sila?
Sarap. Hype din siya. Sarap siya.
Like, parang ano na natin ito maubos.
Sarap.
Stop.
Sarap.
I-post mo ito, di ba, sa YouTube?
Sarap.
Like, can I try to crack?
Crack. One more crack. In the front of camera.
Uy, ang ganda ng designs niya, guys. Like, I'll just eat the greens. Help me. It's very sweet. Like I thought na, when I was in the car, I thought it's not yummy. Masarap pala siya. Like, my hands is dirty na.
In front. You're so worried or what? You can crack like that.
Okay.
Takot siya, guys. Sarap ng sarap. Nami kaayo.
Ito na pala si
Dami palang medicine ng mga flower.
I cannot crack it. It's very hard.
Okay. Wala kaming wala kaming mic.
Wala kami SMR mic. Kahit dirty lang yung hands namin, basta makakain lang ito. Hindi na sila nakatry.
Yummy.
Video, feature.